Hello my beautiful sunshines, welcome back to my channel. It's Tanvi and I hope you guys are having a great day so far. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button to see more of me and my content or just to have fun. So, what's been up lately? I've shifted to a new place and I've been trying to decorate it ever since, and after long days of laziness and procrastination, I finally did it. And as you can see from the title, this video is all about how I decorated my room from scratch. And yeah, it took me a while to do it, but I finally did it. So this room is quite smaller than the room that I was living in previously, but this room had a lot of scope because it had white walls and a lot of light coming in. So I wanted it to be decorated in a certain way. So the theme of this room was basically white on white, some green, some golden textures here and there, gold and wooden textures here and there. So after a lot of manner that I put into decorating this room, here I am making this video for you guys, and I think I did a good job. It turned out to be really great. And before I show you the room, I want to show you a clip in which I am showing the process and the struggles that I faced while I was decorating the room. So hope you enjoyed it. It's kind of a funny clip, and yeah, let's jump right into it. So this is how my room looks like right now. This is the current situation I'm working with. This room is quite smaller than my previous one, so it is quite a task to adjust everything in this room. But yeah, I have to do few installations here and there. Put that mirror in some other place, definitely, and put this cooler out. And yeah, I'm ready for it. Let's do this. Okay, so after a long day of procrastination, I finally got up from my bed, and yeah, I'm ready to do some sundarikaran of this room. And what is the progress till now? Well, only that the carpenter came and installed those floating shelves over the wall, and now first things first, we gotta clean this room. Oh. As you can see, I bought this clothing rack from Amazon and it looks gorgeous after assembling. Bought those wooden hangers to go with the aesthetic, and now what I'm gonna do is I bought these white wall frames from Home Center and printed some cute posters to go with this frame, and I'm gonna put those pictures in it and mount it on the wall. And yeah, with that we come to the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it and found some inspiration for your room as well. I'll link the things that I can find online in the description box below so that you guys can also buy it. And like and share this video if you wish to, and I'll be back with more videos. Bye!